Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Dropbox to Trello, beginner guide step by. Open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Log into your Dropbox account using your credentials. In a new tab, open the Trello website and log into your Trello account. Once logged into Trello, locate the board where you want to connect Dropbox. Click on the Show Menu button in the upper right corner of the board. In the menu that appears, click on Power UPS. In the Power UPS menu, search for Dropbox. Click on the Dropbox Power-Up from the search results. On the Power-Up page, click on the Add button to enable this integration. You will be prompted to authorize the connection between Trello and Dropbox. Click the Authorize button to give Trello access to your Dropbox account. A confirmation window will appear, indicating a successful connection. Now return to your Trello board. You will see a Dropbox icon on your cards. To attach a file from Dropbox, open a card on your Trello board. Click on the Attach File option within the card. Select the Dropbox option from the list of available sources. You will see your Dropbox files and folders appear. Navigate through your Dropbox to find the file you want to attach. Select the desired file and click the Choose button. The file will now be attached to your Trello card. Repeat the process for any additional files you want to connect. You have successfully connected Dropbox to Trello and attached files from your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.